it's an AI speech synthesizer. So it allows you to, I guess, synthesize any text to speech using famous voices. So like I have it set up for Ice Cube right now. So let's type something in. We be making beats at the Ableton User Group. Boom. Synthesize.
What's the name of this app?
This is the website. It's a website called UberDuck AI. It's totally free. You can see all the different categories of voices that are on there. It's like they add new voices every day. It's pretty nuts.
Hey bro, if you use this for like a sample, you gotta clear it or like you know anything about it. Like to say like I use phrase before the drop, right? And use some funny words from over there.
I think it's fair game now. I'm not an entertainment lawyer myself, but so don't quote me on it or don't come after me if you get sued. But I'm pretty sure these are fair. It's considered fair use for. Like, if you read the terms and conditions, it's like, as long as you're not trying to purposely impersonate someone else with these synthesized voices, I think it's safe to use. So let's try this one more time. Making beats with UberDuck and Ableton. Moment of truth. There we go.
Making beats with UberDuck and the book.
So some of that's in there, like the first part, the making beats actually sounded pretty good. So sometimes you have to reword it or rephrase it, but anyways, if we want to take and put this in Note, boom, we can download it. And now you can open it in Ableton Note. And it's just as easy as loading it into a drum rack. Let's go here to another sample. I think it even names it properly, which is, you can see all the Ice Cube ones I did earlier. Where's Tupac? There it is. Wow. Cool, there you go. I got Tupac in my track that I just made on my phone, here on the fly, on Wi-Fi, right?
Hey bro, it's that Notorious B.I.G. bro. It's Biggie Smalls, 100%, bro.
Yeah, yeah. I think Biggie's in there also. He's one of the other voices you can synthesize with this site. But it's great for just making drops or samples if you can't do it yourself. It keeps it original. But yeah, that's the stuff I wanted to share with you.